My name's Jason Behn. I'm the owner of NAE Cleaning Solutions down here in Austin, Texas. We started, it was me, honestly. I had myself and I had a friend of mine's cousin that was working with me. So we started a couple small locations, just got my hands dirty, and we slowly built relationships over time, started hiring more and more. I think right now we're about 15 people on staff, and we're doing around 150 to 175 a year in revenue. I love tech in daily life. It helps me stay organized. When we started, I wanted to be tech forward. So we started with Swept, I believe was the first software that we used. We use T-Sheets for time clock management. We're really trying to improve the employee experience, and we think tech is a great way to do that. A lot of what we've seen with our competitors is they're, believe it or not, still on these paper time sheets.
Pen and paper, killer.
It's amazing. It's amazing. I can't believe it. And for the price you pay, I mean, these companies a lot of them are built to help you scale. I don't understand why people wouldn't take advantage of that for such a small cost to really bring that extra added value to your customers.
What is it with Route that you're using on a daily basis?
Definitely the proposal, but the fact that you can implement their logo into it, give them some kind of personal touch. The fact that you can customize any which way you want. That's one thing I really like about it, is that you can literally customize anything. It's great that you guys have the templates. For example, you guys have a great legal section. We wanted to go in there and do a couple little tweaks on our own, and you allowed us to do that. So, it made it really, really simple. And, anything, there's a lot of times where, no property is the same, no situation is the same. So the fact that, when you're doing the walkthrough, you can take pictures, stuff like that too, is nice. But, the estimator is just another way to kind of get that perfectly shaped. And then once you get to that proposal stage, you're ready to go. You know what you're going to charge, you know what it's going to look like. And it's just so straightforward. It's great. The fact that you can literally have someone go out in the field and do twice the amount of walkthroughs with three times the amount of detail is pretty powerful. So, from that aspect of it, I would say that in itself is plenty of reason to go forward and just give it a shot. Just give it a try. I know tech can be hard to learn. I know some platforms are tricky, especially up front, and that's just part of the deal. But at the end of the day, the way that Route is set up, it's very simple to use. It's not too complicated. You're not bouncing back and forth in between different windows, which I've experienced in the past, and it'll drive you crazy. Even though it was way worse before, it's kind of like we want it now, right? Like we want it better. So, and you guys are really doing a good job of making that a streamlined process. And it's just, I couldn't be more happy with the finished product. I know you guys aren't finished yet, but it's come a long way. And I'm excited to see what you guys, you mentioned some integrations. I'm excited to hear about what that's like in the future. So.